guys, so this is going to be, I know this wig though. First of all, the person who made my wig is right here, Nicole Mito. Please follow her on Instagram. She is a Portmore hair stylist. You know, the Hillside Plaza, like when I go to back road Rochester. Yeah, after I pass it, well, before to church with the cross, you know, the mountain. Yeah, we have one. You have like one mall over there, and over there so she there. Yeah, you get bad. She name Tussan me call her, but her real name is Nicole Mito. I don't have a lot for this month's favorites, and I'm very sorry. I mean, I just don't have a lot. I'm sorry. I want to go through real quick. I have mostly makeup stuff, one large item, and an app. I don't think I've mentioned I think I've mentioned Max Fix Plus, but let's just say this is a staple for me. I know I live in Jamaica and I have a tendency to be a cake face, and by the time I walk outside, the sun warm my face and everything just together. But I love this when I deliberately over powder my face so that my makeup lasts longer. And I spray this down. It doesn't set it, it just removes the powder effect. And bruh, I love it. I love it, especially when I just done my video. I'm like, man, like say me I record, right? I'm just done my makeup, and then me I said John for film the intro, but then my face was a kick up and beer thing. Me just go so wait a couple seconds. Hi guys, so welcome to today's makeup tutorial. Just like that. So Max Fix Plus is a definite. More mink lashes in Armani 3D, bruh. I have been wearing these lashes so much. They sent me other lashes and I'm like, nah man, I'ma just keep those one right here. I love it so much. It is dramatic, it is completely and totally me. This is lyric in lash form. It's just, and I love lashes like this. It has that curve but then it's so bold. More mink lashes in Armani 3D. Yes, bubble. And a new one that you guys don't really see me use a lot, but I really love, and it's my Ben Nye Luxury powder, and this is in clay. I'm wearing it today. I haven't worn banana in a while. I've been wearing clay, and let me just say, I bought this on Camera Ready Cosmetics for $12, and I bought a lot of other stuff because I'm revamping my kit. I'm completely redoing my kit. So yes, I bought some Ben Nye powders, and let me just say, this one in clay for the highlight. Love it. I saw what's her name again, Makeup Doll use it. I'm like, wow, I like how it looks, and I went ahead and bought it just because she uses it. I'm like you guys, like if you just see me use something and you're like, I'm going to back because Lyric has it, girl, I'm like, girl, I've been waiting for you at the door. I'm joking, but I'm like, I get it, I understand. Ooh, girl, listen. This brush is the equivalent to almost 6,000 Jamaican dollars. This alone. This is the Marc Jacobs Phase 2 brush, and I believe it's $58 or 50 something dollars, bruh. Look at the packaging. Look at this silver thing right here. Look at the name, and look at the name at the back. Oh my god. Okay, we'll just stop now. Just collect some offering. Just pass the baskets around to collect some offering. Yes, God is moving. Thus brush, bruh. Ugh. And you guys know, like, I'm heading into my brush line, right? So I'm just like, bruh, it feels so good. The weight on it is immaculate. The look of it is so prestigious. It's just like, yes, Marky boo, Markylicious. Listen, best in Mr. Jacobs. Good job. I mean, it's very expensive. It's Marc Jacobs. Hello, but yeah, love it. As you can see, I've been using it a lot, and it's it bad. I saw Time the Infamous use it, and she kept on using it, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to give that brush a try, bruh. Yes. Two things, last things. This Motives lipstick in Naked. I'm wearing it today. First of all, let me just show you what this thing looks like. It is so not me. It's a luster, and it's like, forgive me, I'm not dissing anybody, but I want them granny luster there, like oh God, grandma, I like your lip. Yes, my child, I Motives send me a van me mouth. It just looks like a grandma's lipstick, but this thing, it gives my lips I just love how natural it makes my lips look, and it just looks like my lips but just have like chapstick on, you know what I mean? And I mean, that may not make sense, because like, why the hell would I have a lipstick that looks like chapstick? Hello. But some of us are into luster, some of us aren't, and that's fine, that's completely fine. But Naked by Motives, love it. Last but not least, you see, now I understand high-end hype. I get it. Alright, I get it. But to be honest, I don't see a difference between this and LA Pro Conceal. I really don't. I really do not. You know, I'm a die-hard LA Conceal, LA Pro Conceal girl. I use my Fun, or I use Warm Honey or Toffee, anything that, you know, I've at the time were done. But if you want to try a high-end concealer, you can go ahead and try NARS, and it's a creamy radiant concealer, I believe it's called, and it's in the color Amande or Amand. I love it. It is my Michael Kors bag. Now, when I bought this bag, I bought it initially just to be my hospital bag, right? Because that was the aim behind it, because it has no closure here, and as you can see, it's jam-packed. So I actually do what's in my bag, but it's jam-packed, as you can see. And this is the reversible tote that has like the snake skin thingy inside, and basically it can be worn both ways. It can be worn with this print out on the front, the canvas print out at the front, and then it can be worn with this here. And it also comes with a little bag inside, and I got it because it came with both things, and because I was like, okay, I could put my makeup in here and some other stuff like pads and stuff at the hospital and stuff like that. I would like smaller items, hand sanitizers, smaller items that can fit in here, because this is a really big bag. This is a really big bag. Like, look at it to my face. Look at it to my face. A really big bag. But yeah, so I have been loving this bag so much, and honestly I've been wearing it everywhere. If I go down the road, if I go to supermarkets, if I go to visit my friend, I say no, good, I have to carry this. It's just, I understand why people love tote bags, and I understand why they have like the Louis Vuitton bags. They have the collection of the Neverfull, like the Damier Ebene, the Damier Azur, and also the Monogram. I get it now. I understand why people have all three. These are very addicting, because I said to you guys that I don't like to buy bags that are the same thing. Like, I have a bag this style, I'm not go back to buy a bag that style, you know, different. No, I'm not some more. But I've been wearing this a lot, so much, and I love it. I love it. And they can cinch in the sides, which of course I don't wear mine cinched in. I just have this cute, I just love it. I love it so much. I love it, and it's kind of big-ish. Expected it to be bigger. I really did. I expected it to be like probably huge, but it's a nice size, and it's gold. And if you guys know me, you know I love me some gold, rose gold, yellow gold, gold, white gold. Love gold. This bag has been doing it for me. This bag has been doing it for me. I love this bag so much. Okay, so my battery is dying. Oh, and the one app that I have to show you guys is an app called Showbox, and I'm actually watching a movie on it now. I'm watching Supernatural, and it's called Showbox in Play Store in thingy. But there's a lot that you have to get to download. Share, then Showbox, but I don't think Showbox is available to download anymore. I think they had gotten rid of it or canceled it or something. But this is where I watch all my movies, all my series. I can download series to my phone, download movies to my phone, and I just watch on the go, which I think is so amazing, because I'm due any minute and I don't know when I'll be calling to the hospital. So I'm glad I have stuff on my phone that can keep me entertained, right? And I don't need Wi-Fi because it's already downloaded onto my phone. Yeah, that's it, and I'll talk to you guys when it's done. Battery's dying. Bye guys.